Hi, today we're making a lovely little treat that's very cheap, very budget friendly, vegan friendly, and a nice little savoury snack. Over the Christmas period and all these celebrations, we have lots of sweet treats, and in the end, although we enjoy them, some people get fed up with them. This one is great for vegans, as I say, a nice savoury option. It's chickpeas with paprika, herbs, salt and pepper, and it's absolutely delicious. Stick with me and I'll show you how easily this recipe is put together. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is to make this snack. So I took the chickpeas, opened a can, they're literally out of a can. I drained the can and I've left them sat here soaking approximately half an hour. Not soaking, draining onto this kitchen roll. So I'm just going to pop them into this little side dish. And into this dish, everything I bought, all the ingredients, as usual, are highly discounted from the Food Initiative. So I'm just going to pour a tablespoon of oil into the dish. I'm going to put a teaspoon of paprika. Now this is smoked paprika, this is the one we prefer. One tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon, could have opened this one for me, Mr. Wells. Half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper, as I say, half a teaspoon of oregano.
You can put whatever herbs that you
any herbs you like the flavours of. These are just what we chose today. I'm just going to tip the chickpeas back in. I'm just going to roll them and roll them and roll until they're completely, I thought one escaped, until they're completely coated in the oil and all the herbs and spices.
garlic would be nice as well.
Yeah, garlic would be nice. I normally buy lots of chickpeas from the Food Initiatives because I pick them up quite quickly, quite cheaply, generally around 20 pence per tin. And I've built up quite a collection of them. Now we do add them to stews, to different things, but this is just a nice little alternative. Christmas snacks and New Year's snacks are really expensive, and you've got people coming round. There's always a vegan in the family or a visitor, so this one can be offered to them. But it's just a nice little something different, full of flavour. And there are lots of us who not only like the sweet treats, but we like the savoury. Some prefer savoury and don't eat the sweet ones at all. So as you can see, I've fully coated it. Everything's got a little bit of colour, a little bit of the herbs. I'm going to place that in the oven. So we've got it at 180 gas mark 6. and that's in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Now you don't want them burnt, you just want them dry enough. They probably last about a week if you're not shrink wrapping them, preserving them, doing anything else with them. But if you're keeping them out as a snack, they probably last about a week. In someone else's house, here, they'll be gone tonight. That's the way we roll. But I'll come back in half an hour and I'll show you what they look like. I would say we cooked them for 35 minutes. And I've just put them in a little ramekin. So basically that's the kind of thing we do, and put little party treats out or little nibbles out. Very tasty, a lot of flavour. I can taste the paprika, the salt, I can taste the herbs, and of course the chickpea itself. They're nice. What do you think?
Tastes like butter beans.
There is a butter bean type of flavour to it, isn't it? Let me see you eating it.
Yeah. Carry on eating that. I think the garlic one would be
even better. Yeah. Tasty then?
Yeah, garlic and cheese.
Well, with the rest of the nibbles out and that as a side, be absolutely delicious. Yeah. So, yeah, how cheap was that? You know, you don't even have to put them in the oven by themselves. Wait till you're cooking something else and just put it in a tray underneath. Basically, then the heat for cooking them is free because you're cooking something else at the same time. But yeah, thanks for joining us. Please take care. Remember you're loved, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.